Arnia and welcome back to my channel. So this video is in continuation with the previous video as I told you all, and in this one as well I'll be reviewing the tops that I bought from Yumi Asia, and let's get started with the video. So let's start with the top that I'm wearing right now. This is how it looks. It has these really pretty ruffle princess sleeves, I would say. Looks really nice and a little bit extra that you want in your outfit. And so if you have your college fest or आपका freshers आ रहा है, या if you have your some parties coming up that you really want to doll up for, then this is your go-to top. It's very comfortable. Like, just look at the neckline. It's so good, it's so comfortable, very breathable fabric, I would say. And also the sleeves are really nice, just not too tight or not too loose, just the right amount. And this is how it looks. I especially love this neckline के ruffles. It just add that uniqueness to the outfit. Love that. And इसके साथ I wanted to give that princess feel, so I paired this pearl earrings and this pearl necklace. I think एकदम princess feels आ रही है. And yeah, that's about the top. Very breathable fabric, not at all see-through as you can see. And let's talk about the price. And the price for this one is 999 rupees, and I'll leave the link to it down below, so do check it out. I will obviously insert some videos and clips of me wearing the top over here. Just look at how Pinteresty it looks. I've paired it with my wide leg jeans, I remember, so I paired it with that. And along with that you can pair your sneakers, your chunky sneakers, or your block heels, your nude heels. And with bags you can carry, maybe if you have a blue color ka bag, you can carry that as well. And yeah, that's about it. Now moving on to the next top, I have this one right over here. Again, very Pinteresty feels. It has this cute and psycho "see you later" written over it. I will insert some videos and clips of me wearing the top. I paired this with my wide leg jeans, and if you want the link for the jeans, I'll link it in the description down below, so do check it out. And again, if you will search on Pinterest, you'll find this top a lot. Like, Pinterest girls love this top, and इसकी fitting and all भी काफी अच्छी आ रही थी. एकदम cinched waist, एकदम fitted top आ रहा था. And I bought this one in size I guess medium. Yes, I got this one in size medium. It's true to size, and इसकी fitting, इसका fabric, everything is very nice, not at all see-through. Fabric भी काफी अच्छा है. So Yumi Asia के products, the fabric, the quality of their products, and even the pricing, they are all very nice. And the price for this one is 599 rupees. Again, super affordable. So I would give this one again a 10 out of 10. And now let's move on to the next top. Moving on to the next top, I have this one over here. It has this milkshake graphic print over it, and it is a crop top. Especially if you are into low waist jeans, and if you style them with that, it will give off such a street style Pinteresty vibes. But even if you're not, you can style them with your mid-rise or high-rise jeans, whichever works for you, and it will look great. Like I have did over here, looks very Pinteresty. Iske niche you can go with your chunky sneakers. That would look the best. Along with the whole look, you can go ahead with a baguette bag, and that looks amazing with almost all the looks. So I think one baguette bag in your wardrobe is very essential. So that's that. And this top ka fabric and everything is very nice. Not, again, this is white, but it's not at all see-through. Definitely wear something nude inside it. And इसका print and all is काफी minimal, काफी aesthetic, so I like that about it. Very casual. And the price for this one is 549 rupees, so not a bad price for this top. Definitely tell me what you guys think about this one. And now let's move on to the last top for today's video. Okay, so the last top is this one. It has this a little bit spoiled written over it. Well, looks very aesthetic, but इसका fabric, I didn't really like the fabric for this one. And इसका जो fit आता है, that also I didn't really like it a lot. Like, if you are someone who loves to wear sleeveless and something like that, this top might work for you, but it didn't work for me because इसकी sleeves ऐसी हैं. Like, it comes off till hair, so you get that point ki how its sleeves look. And I'll also insert a video clip of me wearing the top. So मुझे इसकी sleeves नहीं पसंद आई, मुझे इसका fabric नहीं पसंद आया. Like, it's good, but it's not up to my liking. And the price for this one is 549 rupees. So the price is not that bad, and you might like this fabric, you might like this top, but it's not just doing it for me. And it comes off till hair, and if you want to style it, you can maybe style it with your low rise or high rise jeans. It works with both, with chunky sneakers and a baguette bag. It will work fine with that. And I really actually love the coat on it. It's so minimal, so aesthetic. I really like the text, especially a little bit spoiled. So maybe that is why I bought it. So this is how the fabric looks like. It's not uncomfortable. It feels good on the body, but just not up to the liking. Okay, you all, so it's the next day. The settings is changed a bit, yes, but the video was way too short for me to post. I think it was somewhere around 5 minutes. I think it was too short, so I received more tops the next day, and let's just review them. Let's start with this one because I love this top, by the way. This is how it looks. I'll leave the link to everything in the description, so do check it out. And iska kapda, iski quality is really nice. Plus I'll insert the videos and clips of me wearing it. बहुत अच्छा fit आता है, like एकदम body hugging है. And this top is something that you can wear to your colleges, and you can also wear if you are like going to a party. It's that top that you can dress up and dress down at the same time. You can wear it with a skirt, with a denim skirt, with your skirts, and with any kind of distressed jeans, so it will create a really nice party look. But if you want to style it for college, you can just pair it with your trousers, so you can just pair it with your wide leg jeans. Iska fabric is really nice. It's soft, so it's very comfortable on the skin, and obviously very breathable. And ये वाला जो shape है, it's ruffled, not ruffled, it's ruched, sorry. Yeah, so ये जो ruched pattern आता है, ये भी काफी अच्छा लगता है, and something new and unique to the tops. And I paired it with my wide leg denim jeans, उसके साथ भी काफी अच्छा लग रहा था. So yeah, that is about it. This is how it looks, and the price for this one is 499 rupees, and I think it's a great top if you're getting this for 499. So yeah. Now moving on to the last product, I have this top. So I'll insert a picture of how it looked on the website, and I was always tempted to buy this top for some reason, but I never bought it. And this time I was like, yeah, let's go ahead and let's buy this one. So I bought this one, but it just did not make it to the mark. Like, I think it's maybe because I had expectations for this top as to how it would look like in a certain way. It just didn't look that good, to be honest. Iska jo fabric hai, it's not that great. मुझे इसका fabric बहुत low quality वाला fabric नहीं होता है, वो है. This is how it looks. Not the best fabric, I would say. And इसका जो आगे की जो strings है, they look very awkward because ये अच्छे से tie नहीं होती हैं. Maybe I am not able to try it properly, but I have tried it in multiple ways, and बहुत awkward लगती हैं आगे की ये जो strings. जब आप वो बनाते हो तो it looks very awkward. Plus इसका जो आगे का लुक है वो काफी awkward आता है. I'll insert some clips and you'll see. I love sweetheart necks, but इसका जो sweetheart neck है, I just didn't like it. इसका fabric and all very low quality, बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं लगा मुझे. मतलब ये देखने में सब अच्छा है, but पहन के I personally won't feel comfortable, so I won't recommend this top to any of you all. मतलब ठीक है, it looks a little bit okayish when you wear it, like not the best, 7 out of 10 I would say, but the comfort level, the quality of the fabric, it's not that great, so you won't feel that comfortable is what I'm trying to say. So that's that. And iska price is again 499 rupees. These are from the same brands, and iski quality was so good, and iska price bhi 499 tha. But this one is like a 2 out of 10, and this one is like an 11 out of 10. Loved this one. Yeah, that's about it. And let me know in the comments down below if you guys want me to do a review of a certain brand or a certain product on this channel, so I'll do that as well. And all the links will be linked in the description down below, so do check them out. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.